Well, hi guys, welcome to Eat and Love. If you're wondering why we're wearing masks, so do you know why? Yeah. Oh well, I'll tell you. We're going to be doing a taste testing challenge.
Whoa.
So I think they're gonna be yummy, or we can have different opinions.
Hey,
like
Nami?
disgusting, but I think they're gonna
Oh,
be yummy.
gosh.
Just like what he said. So do you want to say anything else, Sam? Do you want to say something?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
And now
Well, guys, my mom is gonna bring us the food, and she's going to give it to Mateo so Mateo can feed me, and I'm gonna say if I like it or dislike it.
And he
Hi guys.
Wanda.
Okay, ready to get started?
A pick them up. Hi.
All right.
Hello, guys.
And here comes food.
Come put.
Put it all in.
I know what this is.
What is it?
Frozen grapes.
And is she right, Mateo? Yeah? Good job. All right. Next. Cover your eyes. Okay.
Look how funny you look. Okay, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Ready? Open your mouth.
I'm getting one after.
Go.
You like it?
Can I get one? Give me one. Give me one.
All right. Well, you're not getting nothing yet.
It's not
All right.
fair.
Cover your eyes, Sophia.
You would, Nana.
What is it?
Shh, don't tell her. Ready? In her mouth it goes.
Ew! What?
What
Ew!
What
What the heck?
What is it?
Tuna?
Is it up or down? Thumbs up? She's right, tuna. Good one, Mateo. Drink up. I'll clean you. Don't worry about the dirtiness. All right, who's next?
It's kind of good.
Mateo?
Tuna's
Cover up, Mateo.
It's kind of good.
Yeah? Okay, ready? Wait for it. Wait for it, Mr. Cheater.
So do I
You like it? I think that's a thumbs down.
What is it?
What do you think it is?
Let me see.
Okay, we'll guess it later.
It's mustard.
Mustard, Mana's right. Put on, ready? Next.
You would.
I'm rude. Oh no, mommy's rude. All right, your sister's up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, Mateo? I'm gonna help you with this one. Okay, let's do this. Ready?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna give this one to your sister because I don't want it to fall.
You go. Wait.
What is it?
Vinegar!
So, a thumbs up? Not child approved. All right, next. You're doing good so far. Doing good. Ready? All right, Mateo,
I'm not
cover
fine.
up. You're up, Mateo. Oh, you're gonna drink all your water. Cover.
It's backwards, it looks like.
Okay, ready?
I'm peanut.
Ready? Okay, open your mouth. Nice and big.
He knows what it is. He's peeking. So what is it?
Oh, you like it. You like it, Teo? What do you tell the audience?
It's too plain.
No?
It's too plain.
Too plain? Okay.
Wait, no.
Who's next?
Me.
Sophia's next. Ready?
Mommy, eat me, guys.
I tricked you. Okay, ready?
Mi tata
Thumbs
Cretino. Mi tata
Big.
Cretino. Mi tata Cretino. Mi tata.
What is it?
Pickle with cottage cheese.
Isn't that good?
Mi tata Cretino.
No, you like it, really?
Mommy.
Good job.
Mommy.
Say it louder. What is it? Tell
Mommy.
everybody.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah.
We got that veggie.
It's pickle with cottage cheese.
Not bad, right? Not bad at all. All right, next. Mateo, close your eyes.
Wait, let me put my blindfold.
You can't take your blindfold off. You gotta keep it on, babe. All right, we're ready. And no, off. Put it on. Come on. Keep it on. No, cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. Okay, ready? Okay, open your mouth.
Tell you
Open
like
your mouth.
this one.
Big.
What is it?
Tell everybody, what is it?
Apple pie.
Yay! Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Good job. Ready? Tell everybody that you have a thumbs up for what? Applesauce. Go ahead. Applesauce. Thumbs up. All right, now it's Sophia's turn.
Yeah, open wide.
Ready? Ready? Here, you can give it to her, Mateo. Let her put it all the way in her mouth. Let her eat it. Oh, big mouth. Oh, delicious. What is it? Swallow it. You have to. You have to swallow. This is part of the challenge. Swallow it. Do you know what it is? What is it? Tell everybody. Tell
Mustard.
everybody. What kind of mustard?
Honey mustard.
No, spicy mustard.
It's spicy. It's not spicy.
Really? No spice? Tell everybody what it was. Thumbs up or thumbs down, Sophie? Thumbs down. I don't know about that. All right.
You like it?
Next is
like it?
one more, last one, Mateo, and then you're both gonna have one together. Ready? Okay. Put your blindfold down, you stinker. Ready, Soph?
What is it?
Wait, ready? I'll help you.
What is that? What is it?
Guys, look!
What is it?
Thumbs down? What is it? Tell them, what is it? Vinegar. Oh, and it's apple cider vinegar. You should like that. All right, cover your eyes, guys. I have one, a
There's
big one.
so many tastes in my mouth. Like
Ready?
I
I don't think they're gonna like this one, but we'll see.
No.
Okay? No peeking. No peeking. Okay? And then you gotta give a very big thumbs up or a thumbs down to the audience.
Can
Okay?
I get a little like?
Quiet. Ready? Open mouth. Ready? And bite. Hey, what do you tell them, not me? What is it?
It's those little rolls.
Tell them, not me.
It's the little rolls with the chocolate inside.
That was delicious. So what do you think? Should we go ahead and give all of these a thumbs up for snacks? All of them? Everything I gave you today was a thumbs up? Was like this, right? Like this? How about this? Do we do like this?
It's in the middle.
In the middle? All right, well, this was fun. What do you think? Did you guys like this? Yeah? I love your faces. So anyway, okay, let's no, he didn't like it all. But hey, this was fun. We're gonna do some more of these. This was something new. Sorry, baby. Go ahead and tell everybody, what should they do for us?
Give us a big thumbs up, hit the notification. Make sure you follow us and more of our upcoming videos.
Right, and make sure you let everybody know about us. Subscribe, and we'll hope to see you next time. And next segment is going to be even more fun, right? Oh, we lost our little guy. Oh, do you hear him in the background? Well, he has things to do, so we want to. Well, let's say goodbye to everybody before we go. Bye. Hope to see you all soon.
Bye. And see another.
So you want another one of those? I don't know.
And see
I think so.
another.
I think he's just having way too much fun. And more
that's
Papa?
He got
And
cuckoo
Papa.
from all that sweet